the balance.
The balance as per?
What was the date? 31st of October.
As no, as per which book? As per cash book or bank statement?
As per bank statement.
Perfect. So as per as just no, they won't penalize you, just write favorable because we know that it's favorable. Okay?
Yes.
And how much is it? 126 something if I'm not mistaken, but I'll go and check.
It was. It told us that.
126.9.
Yes, 126.9.
Okay, 126,990. We don't have to put brackets because it's favorable, okay?
Yes.
Yes. So that's the first thing. Next time they'll say unfavorable, you must put brackets. And they can trick you by saying debit or credit. Can you see now? So this one is easy because they said favorable. Next time they'll say either debit or credit. That's why it's important for you to know which one is favorable, which one is unfavorable between the debit and the credit. Okay? Yes.
So if they say credit, it's credit on the bank, so it's favorable.
On the bank statement, yes. Let me just
Yes.
write for future. If they said credit, it's the same.
Yes.
Now, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And the next one. The order doesn't matter. You add first, ne?
Oh, so
You
order
add.
doesn't matter, as you understand, but we
The order
usually do
doesn't
it
matter. Yeah. But I prefer, some books less first, but I prefer this one where we add first, yeah, because it makes sense.
Yes.
Add outstanding, ne?
Yes.
Outstanding deposits, ne?
Yes.
And then you and I know which amounts are outstanding. We have to check if we have got any outstanding. I like the fact that we highlighted already. So if you are writing exam, you just have to go and check where you said PRS, PRS,
Write
PRS,
them
PRS.
down, right? What goes where, yeah.
Yeah, I have. So yeah, so we do have a deposit that is outstanding, which is number
7. Wait,
no,
no,
this one is
sorry.
what this is the error. The outstanding one is this
Yes,
one.
this is no, it's 8. 8, yeah.
Number 8, yeah. So I'm gonna go and we only have one deposit, so this one is easy because we just have to go and add that 70,000.
Yes.
Are you okay? Remember, in future you
Yes.
can have more than one deposit. What you must do is just have to list them one by one under deposits, and then thereafter the total will be there.
Okay.
Because we can find more than one deposit which are
Yes.
outstanding.
So
Okay?
if there was more than one, would you write like how it's written outstanding deposit? Would you write any further information?
Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. For example, they'll give me the if they give me sometimes they give us the deposit number. They say deposit
Okay.
121. I'll come
Yes.
here
Okay.
and write it here. Let's say it
Okay.
was 50,000. I'm just gonna
Yes.
show you. That one is deposit.
Yes.
Let's say deposit 125. I'm gonna come
Okay.
here and put 20, and
Yeah.
thereafter I'll add them together to find that 70.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, yes. So I'm
Okay.
just gonna
No,
delete
perfect.
this because we don't have them. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now we must go. Oh, you can see. There's something that we need to learn so that we can know in future why is it doing this. Sorry, I know I tried. It's okay. Just
Yeah,
go and check.
it started acting up again.
Especially when you go ahead and you come back, it normally does that. So
Yeah.
next, what we do?
Uh,
We let.
Next is less outstanding EFTs.
I like that. Any EFT which we had? I don't remember seeing an EFT here. That is outstanding. I don't remember.
No,
For this one, we don't have. But if we had, we're gonna put them the way we put the deposits, but they were supposed to be in brackets. Okay.
yes,
Yes. Okay, so far.
yes, no, good.
Okay. And then let's go to after that, obviously, is then that we must go and find any errors. But remember, the
Errors,
errors,
yeah.
we don't know whether we're going to less or add. So we have to
What,
go
what,
first to the
yeah.
errors and check how are the current errors. So I think BRS here, we've got an error here, number 6.
Yes.
And a stop order was debited twice
So
instead
then
of
once
once. So we need to get one of them back. Are we going to add or less?
we would, if we're getting it back, we would add.
Perfect. So I'm going to come here and say add. I prefer to call it correction of error. So anything that makes sense. And then you
Yes.
can just put more information there. Maybe debited twice, if you want.
Okay.
Debited twice. And you can even put, if you want, you can just say insurance premium, okay? So it doesn't matter. And then you just come here and you put that amount, but only one amount, okay?
Yes,
Which is
2120.
212. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, 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 okay. The other error was the error on the on the
Which,
7th. The deposit was incorrectly credited by the bank. So we were incorrectly given the money. So we must give
yes.
money back. So what must we
Yes.
do?
So less.
Less because we're giving the money back. Okay.
And
Correction of
then
error.
correct.
And then you can just say amount incorrectly credited. Ne?
Yes.
Then we need to less that amount, 50,000, if I'm not mistaken. I'll go and check.
Uh, yeah.
50, yeah, this is the 50,000. Perfect, 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 perfect. Yes. No problem. And then we don't have any other errors. The only thing that we
Nope.
can do, we just have to add everything, use the calculator, and see how much we get after adding, lessing, adding, lessing, adding, lessing.
So the answer would be 149,110, which is coincides with our thing.
Balance as per cash book. Give it to me. You said how much? One.
149,110.
Mm, it must be the same as the one that. No, no. Remember, it's the one that you found here. not the one from the cash book, the one that you found here on the. Is this one appearing
On
on your calculator now?
yes, that's what it's the same.
The one I just calculated, this one.
The one
Oh,
I
it's the
just
same.
calculated.
Okay, I thought
It's the
you said one.
same.
Yeah, so it's the
Yeah,
same as this one. So now
it's the same.
it's this
It
one.
worked out.
Ah,
Yes.
perfect. Perfect. Reconcile. Yeah, reconcile. Reconcile. Not bad. I think if they bring this one, you'll be good.
Yes.
Unless you know that there are different ways of bringing it, they can also give you the bank statement, and then you must find. I
Yes.
don't know if you know how to find these deposits and EFTs yourself. Do you know how to do it? If they give you the bank statement.
For the EFTs, it
Yeah, let's
would
say for
be
example they didn't. Let's say for example this year, can you see here they did everything for us? What
yes.
if they wanted you to do the comparison? Meaning they were supposed to give you the cash book together with the bank statement. Do you know how to compare them and come up with this information that they gave us? Or can we find an exercise where we just check what if they bring the bank statement?
Um, I think
Because they can,
they
they can bring it to you in a different way just to confuse you. Okay, just
yes.
check if
Let me see if I can find that. Oh, so they would write EFT payments.
something like this. Let me show you here. Something like this. Um, they can give something like this, like they can give you the cash book and they can give you a bank statement like this and the cash book like this. And you have to find those outstanding items yourself. It's very
Okay.
rare, but you never know. Never say never. Never say never because you never
Yes.
know. But
Yeah.
because of exam, they like the one that we just did. They like that format because it's straight to the point. But I know
Yes.
sometimes they even for BCom they just come all of a sudden.
Yes.
So we can just look at the exercise whereby we have to find those things ourselves. Just to, for that only. I just want to check if you can do that or not.
Okay. No, that one, the finding. No, I've never come across the findings.
I know you are writing tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe we can leave it for now, touch on the other stuff, or do you want us to just cover the bank record and put it aside for now? Can I just maybe we can just say because we're not going to do the whole exercise just to show you how to find them. Is it okay?
Yeah. Let's quickly see if I can find.
Yeah, because I don't want to do this one, leave this one, do this one, leave this one. This one. Let me
Yeah.
do this. We didn't find the simple one. Yeah, let's check this one. Question two. This is the question that I sent you via email. But
Yes.
it's okay. We can use this one just